Everyone keeps talking about AI like it can build a successful dropshipping business for you overnight, but that's simply not true. AI won't choose winning products, run your marketing, or guarantee sales. What it can do is remove a lot of the repetitive work that slows you down, so you can spend more time making smart business decisions. In this video, I'll show you where AI genuinely helps, where it doesn't, and how Doba's AI-powered workflow can make building and managing a store much more efficient. If you want to follow along, I've linked everything in the description below. One of the biggest challenges with dropshipping isn't creating a Shopify store, it's everything that comes after. Finding reliable suppliers, making sure products stay in stock, updating inventory, writing product descriptions, importing listings, managing orders. Those repetitive tasks quickly add up. This is exactly where AI can make the biggest difference. It won't replace your strategy or make business decisions for you, but it can speed up many of the repetitive tasks involved in building and managing a store. The goal isn't to automate success, it's to automate the busy work so you can focus on growing your business. When you're managing only a few products, doing everything manually might seem manageable. But as your store grows, those repetitive tasks scale up very quickly, and that's usually where better automation starts saving you a significant amount of time. And if you're using several different tools, you're constantly switching between platforms just to keep your store running. That's where Doba is trying to simplify the process. Instead of connecting dozens of suppliers yourself, Doba gives you access to more than 1 million products from pre-vetted suppliers, many shipping directly from US-based warehouses. Everything from product discovery to inventory syncing and order management is handled inside one platform. When you first open Doba, everything is organized around helping you discover products faster. Rather than browsing random marketplaces, you immediately get curated sections like top ranking, high profit, premium suppliers, TikTok shop selections, Shopify selections, new arrivals. These collections make it much easier to explore products that match different business goals instead of starting from scratch. You can also search by category or niche if you already know what you're looking for. One thing I like is that Doba focuses on simplifying product discovery instead of overwhelming you with endless filters. Now let's see what actually happens when you build a store. The first step is connecting your e-commerce platform. Doba supports Shopify, Amazon, eBay, TikTok Shop, and several other marketplaces. Once connected, you can begin selecting products for your store. Let's say I wanted to build a home office niche. I can browse the catalog, compare different suppliers, review shipping information, check inventory, and once I find something I like, I simply click to list to store. Instead of manually downloading images, copying descriptions, formatting listings, and uploading everything myself, Doba automatically transfers the product information directly into the connected store. That alone saves a huge amount of repetitive work. Even better, inventory updates continue syncing automatically. So if supplier stock changes, your listings stay updated as well. When someone places an order, the order syncs through Doba, you pay the wholesale price, and the supplier ships directly to your customer. There's no need to store products yourself or manage shipping manually. The goal isn't to eliminate every task involved in e-commerce, but to reduce the amount of repetitive operational work. Now, let's look at what makes Doba stand out, its AI-powered workflow tools. Instead of trying to replace the seller, these tools are designed to speed up the parts of dropshipping that usually take the most time. The first is Doba Pilot. Think of it as an AI assistant built directly into the platform. It can help you discover products, generate listing content, and guide different parts of your workflow using simple prompts instead of manually completing every step yourself. Next is AI Picker. Rather than scrolling through thousands of products, AI Picker helps recommend products that match your niche and business goals, making product discovery much faster and easier. Then there's AI Auto Lister. Instead of manually adding new products every week, it can automatically publish products based on your preferences and schedule, helping you keep your store updated with far less manual work. Combined with Doba's product discovery tools and integrations with platforms like Shopify, TikTok Shop, Amazon, eBay, and Ecommerce, these AI features create a much smoother workflow from finding products to publishing listings. That's really where AI delivers the most value. It isn't running your business for you. It simply removes many of the repetitive tasks so you can spend more time testing products, improving your marketing, and growing your store. AI also works best when you already have a clear business direction. It can speed up your workflow, but it still relies on you to choose the right niche, understand your customers, and make smart business decisions. That's why I see these tools as productivity boosters rather than shortcuts to success. There are also a couple of features that don't get talked about as often. The first is the Video Hub. Instead of searching social media for product inspiration, you can browse videos showing trending products, supplier showcases, and marketing content that can help you evaluate potential products. Another useful addition is the Elite Academy. This includes educational content covering topics like product research, pricing strategies, and social commerce. Whether you're completely new to dropshipping or just looking to improve your workflow, having those learning resources built into the platform is a nice bonus. Together with the AI tools, these resources make Doba more than just a supplier marketplace. It becomes a complete workflow platform for learning, sourcing products, and managing your business more efficiently. After testing it, I'd say Doba makes the most sense for people who want to simplify their dropshipping workflow instead of piecing together multiple services. If you're starting your first Shopify store, exploring TikTok Shop, or looking for a platform that combines suppliers, automation, and AI-powered tools, Doba gives you a centralized place to manage those tasks. It's important to set realistic expectations. AI won't guarantee sales or build a successful business on its own. You'll still need to choose the right products, understand your customers, and market your store effectively. What Doba does well is reducing the slow, repetitive parts of dropshipping so you can spend more time on the decisions that actually help your business grow.